We're trying to take you through the whole build over here without trying to make it too boring. But the last video is us finishing this fender, which I'm very, very happy with. I think it's pretty cool. A little bit different, or a lot different than I usually do. Everything's lined up from the motor back. Now we go to the front. I'm so informative, Jim. So informative. Because when we put the triple trees on and the front end and the handlebars, we have to make sure that when you're turning the front end, that you don't hit the gas tank. I'd rather put the gas tank on and then make the adjustments later, because we've done it too many times where we put the gas tank on there and the handlebars are hitting the gas tank. So let's rock it, Jim.
Let's do it.
We're gonna put these tabs on the gas tank first. Then we'll figure out where we want to put the holes in the frame, drill them, weld them, and then we'll get this gas tank on. This tank's a pretty big tank. I don't want to go out too far.
Right.
So if you hold the gas tank up there for me.
Yeah.
We should have went a little bit higher, you know?
Yeah, you might as well. There we go.
Oh, thank you.
Ask and you shall receive.
Yeah. Let me see something, Jim. Move that hand. Okay, so we'll just bring him in about an inch or so.
In.
Yeah, because we have plenty of room on either side. I'm gonna leave this out as far as I can.
I would on the front, yeah.
They give you different mounts, but I hate those mounts. Once it's drilled and tapped, even if we we should be able to get something small in there, right?
Right.
I mean, the further we go out, the better. Out here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I think we got it.
I think so.
Let's flip it around and see what it looks like, you know?
Sure.
I put weight on, so I'm wondering if it got less definition and more size.
You might have.
I'm not gonna worry about it right now.
Insert Hulk clip here. Did you like that clip? Did you push it?
Which one?
I sent you a picture of when.
Oh,
when
yeah. I posted that.
Did you? I didn't know if you saw it as a video or not.
Are you looking good right about there, Jim?
No, a little more.
This way, right?
Just a hair.
Which way?
Like you said, just a hair that way.
That way. Oh, good. I'm glad we did that.
Yeah, it's sitting way down. And I'm sure it just came off.
I think what we should do is tack it
up
on there. Yeah, drop the thing down.
It just came off. Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. Go down with it, Jim. The other down. So we'll go up with the tank. You gotta get that centered, correct?
Correct. Is it off all the way? Yep.
Yeah. Let it go under more. What's the front? Right about there. Let me get another tack on it.
You want to put one on the other side?
Yeah, just if it's good, right?
Yeah.
You want to drill this one first?
We
then
can.
Put it?
And then
Yeah, let's do
mark.
that. I kind of like the tank a little bit like that further down, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I'd go up a little bit. But I think that's about equal on both sides. There's somewhere in there. Can you see it, that mark?
Nope.
All right, you got your center punch.
I do. It's right behind you. Does that look centered up and down?
That way a hair. You're good.
Perfect.
Drill a small one first. The diameter?
I think I'm going to have a birthday before this goes through.
You're gonna have to go a little more, Jim.
There you go.
All right, let's level this off, Jim. That's good that way. How's it the other way? Hard to tell if this frame's not this way, right?
Yeah. Stop. I think that's dead on right there. There you go. Perfect.
There you go, perfect. All right, so let's put the tank on. We're gonna have to get a special tool for that. Am I on the hole? Probably not in the hole.
Sure it's the right size?
Yeah. See, that's where we're having the problem. It needs to be more on an angle when you're hitting a tank there. We knew ahead of time we were gonna encounter this problem.
Right.
Because of the tank. That's why they give you those other mounts, you know?
We used to use those.
I don't like them at all. The tank looks pretty good to me.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it does. Twisted that way?
Yeah, the top needs to go over to my side.
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit. You're developing quite the eye there, Jim.
Well, you know, I can see it a lot better when you're not standing in front of me.
Try that.
Give it a little push over. That's perfect right there.
Right.
Yeah, so when we do the bottom, we'll tweak it.
Like right there.
Yep. So if you tack it right there, I'm pulling it to my side.
It's just about a perfect tack. We got to get Rick here again, you know?
Yeah, Rick's always good to work with.
I stay in touch with him all the time, you know?
Do you?
Yeah.
I hit him up on socials quite a bit, but not like you do.
What do you want to do? Drill that?
Drill it. So we need the small bit again.
Here.
Need that.
It's actually one of my favorite parts of...
We're putting the tanks on?
Yeah. It makes such a difference, you know?
Oh, it changes the entire bike. There you go. That looks good.
Right there, right?
Yeah. That's good.
Right there?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's put that baby on here.
Yeah. What kind of bars you thinking?
I have them already. Yeah, the ones with the triple pullbacks.
Oh, those will look nice.
Yeah, I think they will. Yeah, I'm happy. Pretty happy with that, Jim.
Yeah, it looks good.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks great from the side. It really looks good with that fender. I think it was a good choice, that gas tank. We're gonna do a little bit more customization on this tank,
Right.
especially on the top here. I want to make something up here like a ridge or something.
Oh, that'd look cool.
Weld it on there. We don't have to do an out.
We don't have to.
No.
What do you want? What are we gonna do next, though?
We'll do the front end.
That looks pretty cool.
Yeah, these are gonna be nice.
That's a cool. Yeah, we haven't done bars like that.